Guys, welcome back to my channel. On today's video, I'm going to be working on my kitchen. Now, I went out this morning. I had to get I needed some cardboard boxes, but I also wanted to pick up a few things. I needed to go to Target. I needed to get a storage bin for all my plates and bowls and saucers and just everything that I'm going to put in storage. I needed a container for. So my kitchen is an absolute mess this morning, so first thing I'm doing is getting my dishwasher unloaded, reloaded, and getting the sink cleaned up. I'll start there, and then I'm going to work on getting all the dishes organized and put into the container, and then I'm going to work on organizing a lot of the freebies and the really low-cost items that I've gotten through my rebate apps, Ibotta, SHOPKICK, Fetch, and Checkout 51. So I'm going to work on all this stuff. I'm going to sort it out and just sort of organize it a little bit better. My container that I've got everything in is super packed and it's overflowing. So I just wanted to sort of separate everything and, see how much I have of what, and, if I want to pick up, a particular item, I'll know, to go ahead and grab it. So anyway, we're going to get started and we're going to work on this kitchen and get it a little more organized. I've got a couple pieces of furniture in here that I have been meaning to paint for quite a while, so I'm going to try to do that this weekend. So that will probably be in a separate video. So we're going to go ahead and get busy and try to knock this stuff out today.
The sun's going down as I try to make my way through the crowd. Feeling alive, I love being by your side, it makes me shine. We got one summer, so let's make it count. You make me feel like everything's alright. Let's dance our problems away in the night. Love being right next to you.
Okay, so I wanted to show you guys this hot mess I've got going on in my kitchen. I've got all these plates and bowls and things that I have to get boxed up, but I haven't done it yet because I needed to go buy a plastic container. So I've got all of this. I grabbed some boxes while I was out today because I want to start dividing up some of these items that I'm going to donate. And then this container here, I got at Target today. That is what my dishes are going to go in. So I've got some newspaper and, things like that to sort of help, put in between each one. And I wanted to show you guys a few things that I got today. I'm just super excited about. So I'm going to swing around here and start with this stuff. Okay, so I wanted to show you guys my little haul from Walmart this morning. Hunter and I went out, and most of the stuff I had on my list except for the Jack Link's teriyaki steak strips and the Mountain Dew drink. Hunter picked those up. But everything else I did. I ended up paying, well, let's see. I paid $20.64 for everything here. I got back $16.25 from Ibotta. And then because I completed a bonus, I got an extra $2 back. So I ended up getting back $18.25 for all of this stuff. So I only ended up paying about $2, around $2.50. My total was $20.64. And then the Zantac is $4.94. I had a $4 coupon for each one. Brought it down to 94 cents. I submitted my receipt to Ibotta. I got back $3 for each box, so I made $2.06 off each box, and it was free. The Neutrogena was $2.08. I had a $2.50 coupon that I used, making that completely free and a bit of a money maker. The toothpaste was $6.96. I had a dollar coupon, and then I submitted my receipt to Ibotta, and I got back $5, so only made this 96 cents. The Suave men's body wash was $1.88. I had a dollar coupon. I submitted to Ibotta for 75 cents back, so it made it only 11 cents for this bottle. The Camphor Finique, I believe, was $3.98. I had a $1.50 coupon. I also submitted my receipt to Ibotta, and I got back money on that. And then the Dove travel size body wash, I bought that for $1.47. I submitted to SHOPKICK, and I got back, let's see, I'm not sure how many points it was. I want to say, let's see, like 300 maybe, something like that, but it would make it completely free. So yeah, everything here I basically paid $2.50 for, so I am super excited about that, and I just wanted to share it with you guys. Okay, now here is an easy money maker at CVS. Now this sale will I think tomorrow will probably be the last day because the new flyer will come out on Sunday. But the deal they have going on right now is if you buy any 2 Hallmark products, you can earn $3 in extra bucks. So I went in, these are only 49 cents for each bag. So I just grabbed 2 of them. So I paid $1.05 and I earned back a $3 in extra bucks. So basically it made the bags free and I basically made $2. So I think I might go back and get some more. That way I can have some more rewards because I do have another little shopping haul that I'm gonna take advantage of. Okay, so this is something that I wanted to share with you guys. It's been probably a couple months since I got these, but Target had this deal going on where if you bought any one of these, either a multi-purpose cleaner, the glass cleaner, or the dish soap, you would get one of these glass bottles for free. So when I went, they were out of the hand soap dispenser and the dish soap dispenser. All they had left was just this cleaning bottle. So I ended up getting 3 of them completely free. These retail for $14.99, whereas the product that you had to buy was right around $6.50, $7, something like that. So I ended up buying these 2 plus this one, and I got the bottles for free. So I went to Target today. I took back 2 of ones like this, just a plain glass bottle, because I originally wanted 1 of each. So I took the 2 glass bottles back and exchanged them. I got the hand soap dispenser and the dish soap dispenser. So I just wanted to share that with you guys. This deal, like I said, went on it's probably been, I'm guessing, closer to 2 months ago. But I just wanted to share that with you because I just thought that was a really cool deal. So now I realize I don't have hand soap. I guess I could put any hand soap in there. It wouldn't make a difference, but I thought I had some of the hand soap. I have the dish soap, but I don't have any hand soap. But again, I can just put regular soap in it. I think it'll be fine. But I was just super excited about that deal. It was, it was a really good deal. So I end up exchanging those today, and then of course my son, he still likes Transformers even at his age. So he grabbed that. So I spent $30 on this, and then I'm gonna swing it around here and show you this container here. This is what my dishes are gonna go in. So yeah, I only spend right around, I don't know, $40, or no, I take it back, about 38 something for what I got at Target today. And of course this is all the stuff that I've got that I'm going to donate. So I did grab some boxes while I was out. I'm going to start dividing everything up. And then I'm going to get all these dishes put in. I'm going to get them sort of separated and covered with newspaper, just to put, at least in between each one, and then start putting them in the container. And then this table, this has been sitting in here a while. It's a couch table. I am going to sand it and repaint it. It's just been in here for several weeks, and I just haven't had the chance to get it done. And I've got another piece of furniture that I'm going to paint. So right now we're going to go ahead and get these dishes loaded up, and these will be ready to go to storage.
Oh yeah. Don't you know we're getting old for this game? So why you keep playing, boy? Walking around like you're some kind of star. Yeah. You're talking sweet, pulling strings, but I know there's always something up your sleeve. So I won't listen to a word you speak anymore. Oh no, 'cause you only bring me down. But now I am gonna fly. You're gonna be loved.
just a tiny little haul that I made yesterday. My son and I had ran to Target, and I went over to get some ink for my printer so I could continue printing coupons. So I found the cereal, and it was on clearance. It said it was $1.44, but I had issues at the register, so they ended up just charging me $1 for it. And then same with the deodorant. When we scanned the price at the price checker, it said it came up 0.0. So they scanned it, and they ended up just typing in $1. So I got $1 for each one of these. And I submitted my receipt to Ibotta for the deodorants. If you bought 2 Gillettes, you got $5.49 back. So I only paid $3 plus tax for each one of these items, and then I got $5.49 back from Ibotta, making all 3 of these items absolutely free, and then a $2.49 moneymaker. So I wanted to share that little one with you. I was super excited about that. Okay guys, I am all done. I'm happy to have this kitchen back in order for the most part. I did go ahead and take the storage containers down to my car. They will go to my storage unit at some point. And I did go ahead and keep the donation boxes here. I just sort of tucked them back sort of next to the table, next to the wall, just so they'd sort of be out of the way. So once those are full, I will take those and donate them. So I'm happy to have, you know, everything pretty much back in order for the most part. I still have the tables in here that I have to paint, but that'll be for another day. So thank you guys so much for watching. I really appreciate it. I hope you guys are having a wonderful day. I will see you all very soon in my next video. Bye guys.
Give me reasons to doubt, try to keep me down, but I'll put the flame out, you can't get to me. Throw your sticks and your stones, go break all of my bones. You won't ache my soul, you can't get to me. And there is no